That? Oh,
It's a boy.
you get that?
Home run.
He is
She just put a boy on the screen.
Oh.
It's little.
It's Tallywhacker.
Oh my. The screen is terrific. Now what are we looking at here?
You're looking at his boy part. Right between his legs.
Wow. Oh, that's it, huh?
Wow.
Oh my, that's it. That was zoomed in. Is that a leg or an arm or? Wow.
Is that the little boy?
An active?
Active.
Yeah, that's what I've been told before. He doesn't stop moving.
It's like his mom.
No, it's good. What's that black thing there?
It's black.
It's full bladder. He's gonna release that, huh?
Apple?
Oh my. Wow.
That's neat. Oh.
That's his little wang. My goodness. Cuts down half the names for us.
Good.
Makes our job easier.
Good. As parents, you need easy jobs.
Yes.
When we can get him, right?
Yeah.
Busy every day.
But that'll change.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, it's a little person in there. Look at his hand.
Oh. His hand.
Wow.
Top of the head.
That big brain, very robust. So you measure the leg bone? Is that what you do right there? The femur, or?
Yes, the finger. Baby weighs 8 ounces right now.
8 ounces? That's half a pound. Wow. Oh, he's sucking his thumb. Man. That's awesome. Oh.
Those are little hands.
There's the other hand.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh,
His little
is it
rib.
the ribs?
Yeah, the rib cage.
Oh my God. He's cute. He's a handsome boy.
Wow. No longer a thing, it's a he.
That's right.
We move around in there.
151 beats a minute is the heart rate.
So he's exercising.
And then you question.
Ah, the arms.
That's awesome.
The hands. You see that?
Yeah, oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
He's got a little.
Are you checking basically so that to see all the body parts are coming? Okay.
Wow.
I'm actually going.
Don't let us distract you.